Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a new technique of how to inject video with or without alpha into NestDrop. Before you had to use Resolume, but now you can use OBS to do the trick. So to do this, obviously you will need OBS installed, which is available for free and open source. Also you'll need the Off-World Live OBS Spout 2 plugin. This allows you to output Spout in two different ways. I'll show you both of them. So assuming you have those installed, let's jump in. So to start, we need to make a new scene. Let's just call it MOV, because for this example, I will be dropping in an MOV file. It's rendered using the HAP codec. So it has alpha embedded, even though you can't see it, but all that black is alpha. And then we're also going to make it loop and then just uncheck the restart playback when source becomes active, because that means it'll keep playing and also outputting via Spout even when you move to a different scene, which is super useful for outputting multiple scenes at once. So to get Spout outputting, you go into the filters here, effect filters, Spout Filter. So we'll call Spout Filter, maybe MOV. And now here it is up here. So it shows up as a Spout sprite in NestDrop. So if we click that, now it's being injected into NestDrop with the alpha channel, which is super cool. And then you can try all these different other presets and see how they, since we're using the nested method, then it involves itself within the engine. The NestDrop engine, I mean. Another method is to actually inject live video. So I'm going to use my webcam for this. Let's just call it webcam. And now let's bring in a video capture device, which is just my webcam. There I am. Hi. And I'm just going to enlarge it because I don't have a 4:16:9 ratio, which is fine. The filter might bypass that. Let's find out. Yeah, it will. So for this, I'm first, because I don't have any alpha, so I'm going to use a chroma key, and I don't have a green screen background, so let's just chroma key white for the walls and probably my shirt. Turn down the similarity. That's me. Hi. It looks bad here, but wait till you see it in NestDrop. See, in here all the black is actually, or not white. Anyhow, let's add a Spout filter. So Spout filter webcam maybe. And now you can see it's available here in NestDrop. So now I am being injected in real time, or very close to real time, into NestDrop. And the possibilities are limitless with what you can do with this, which is really wild and cool. We could actually, I think, so if I hold control, I can do both at the same time. So this affords all sorts of interesting possibilities. So let's turn that off, oops. But if you then wanted to record this output, right? Because maybe you're not doing it live, but you want to put visuals into NestDrop and then record the results, which is something I do quite a bit for my tests. We're going to launch another instance of OBS. Here we are. So for this, we'll make a new scene, and we'll just call it NestDrop record. And then for the sources, so earlier over here we were doing Spout, an OBS source that had a filter with Spout. But instead for this, we can do a direct Spout capture, because this NestDrop window is outputting to Spout. So we'll just select the NestDrop deck 1. Voila. So from here we could hit record. I can't do that at the moment because this is now my third instance of OBS, and it would be angry at me if I tried to record it twice. Anyhow, so major props to the Off-World Live crew for updating their Spout plugin to output using the filter, 2 different methods. Super useful plugin. I've used tons. So you guys are amazing. Thank you for that. So have some fun. Bye.